It's undisputable that Bitcoin mining stocks, at least to some extent, follow the Bitcoin price. Is Mara stock a buy after China bans crypto? Let's find out. Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Marathon Digital, NASDAQ, Mara, a high-powered miner, is no exception, with Mara stock tracking BTC's fluctuations fairly closely thus far in 2021. If you're looking for Bitcoin market exposure through equities, this isn't always a negative thing. After all, a single share in Marathon Digital is far less expensive than a full Bitcoin. Furthermore, you don't require a cryptocurrency trading account to purchase and own Mara stock. However, we don't want to give the idea that the stock is solely affected by the price of Bitcoin. There is, however, another factor at play here: Marathon's aggressive drive for crypto mining transformation. Indeed, a recent initiative should persuade naysayers that Marathon Digital's most compelling selling point is its desire to develop and collaborate. Marathon Digital shares have typically moved 4 to 5 times faster than the general stock market. Marathon Digital Holdings, Mara, a cryptocurrency miner, has been volatile as the price of Bitcoin has fluctuated significantly. The fundamentals and technical analysis show that buying Mara stock now is a good idea. Marathon is a digital asset technology business that mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and digital asset development. Marathon Patent Group was founded in 2010 with the goal of gathering patents relating to encryption. In 2013, the Mara shares began trading. Marathon Digital Holdings became the company's new name on March 1st. Marek Okamoto got succeeded as CEO on April 26th by Fred Thiel. Marathon Digital supplies the necessary processing power for Bitcoin mining. The processing or validating of transactions is what Bitcoin mining is all about. The hash rate is the rate at which a digital currency miner processes transactions. The more transactions a miner can complete in a given amount of time, the more revenue it generates. For mining, Marathon Digital is compensated in Bitcoin. This Bitcoin can then be sold to create income for the company. Marathon Digital also uses the money to fund its activities. On September 2nd, the business said that it had created 469.6 additional minted Bitcoins in August 2021. Bringing the total Bitcoin holdings to 6,695 with a fair market value of $316.4 million. Total liquidity, defined as cash and Bitcoin holdings, was around $387.3 million, with $70.9 million in cash on hand. To date, Marathon has received 21,584 top-tier ASIC miners from Bitmain, with another 5,916 in transit. The current mining fleet has 22,412 active miners producing about 2.3 EHS. In the first quarter, rival Riot blockchain, Riot, generated 491 BTC. Riot is, however, one of the most lucrative mining firms in the industry, with a gross margin of 67.6%, whilst Marathon Digital has a negative gross profit margin of negative 498.9% in quarter 1. Over the following few months, Marathon Digital intends to boost machine deployments. It plans to send 75,000 miners by the end of this year, with another 15,200 arriving in January 2022. By quarter 1 2022, Marathon Digital intends to have 103,120 miners. It hopes to create 55 through 60 Bitcoin per day with its mining capacity. Marathon's average cost per mining equipment, according to Deed, is $2,300, which is far less than $7,999 to $18,500 he's seen others pay. Marathon Digital said on May 24th that it had reached an agreement with Compute North to host around 73,000 of its Bitcoin miners in a new 300-megawatt data center in Texas. Marathon will give a $67 million 18-month bridge loan to Compute North to help them develop the facility. In October 2021, the project is planned to commence. In early April, Marathon Digital was building a bearish head and shoulders pattern. However, the stock has since gone downhill and no new pattern has emerged. Mara shares are inextricably linked to Bitcoin pricing. Therefore, they've been on a roller coaster ride. Mara shares were trading around $10 at the start of the year. The stock reached a high of 57.75 on April 6th as Bitcoin prices soared. On July 26, stocks rose 15% as the price of Bitcoin went back above $39,000, but most of those gains were lost on July 27th. According to MarketSmith chart analysis, Mara stock is trading above its 50-day line. On June 21st, shares fell as much as 5.5% as Bitcoin's value fell below $33,000 due to a growing Chinese ban on Bitcoin mining. China prohibited all cryptocurrency transactions on September 24th. Bitcoin's value plummeted by $2,000 as a result of the move. Meanwhile, on July 15th, the Biden administration announced the formation of a task force to combat the use of Bitcoin in ransomware attacks. It will concentrate its efforts on tracing money paid to hackers. On September 2nd, however, increasing interest in non-fungible tokens and the expanding usage of small contracts fueled a 5% rise in Bitcoin, bringing it back above $50,000. The stock's relative strength line is moving in the wrong direction. Marathon Digital has an RS rating of 99 and a composite rating of 72, which is excellent. On September 28th, shares fell below their 50-day moving average intraday. However, Wall Street has recently expressed interest in the company's stock. Mara stock jumped 6.5% on August 20th after reports that the world's largest asset management, BlackRock, had purchased a 6.7% interest in the company in June. The company of Marathon Digital soared 27% in the days following the announcement on August 4th that Fidelity had purchased a 7.4% investment in the company. Fidelity will invest in the mining company's stock through 4 index funds. Analysis expected Marathon to turn a profit in the second quarter, but the business lost $1.09 per share compared to 13 cents a year ago and missed projections by $1.25. Revenue was $29.3 million up from $300,000 in the previous quarter and a $5.1 million shortfall in views. We proceeded to effectively scale our operations in the second quarter of 2021, raising our hash rate by 196% sequentially from 0.7 EHS at the end of the first quarter to about 2.09 EHS by the end of June, CEO Fred Thiel said. In quarter 2, Marathon produced 654 bitcoins, increasing the total number of bitcoins produced in 2021 to 846. Marathon then created 442.2 additional bitcoins in July. Marathon had produced 1,441 bitcoins as of August 12th, raising the total number of bitcoins to 6,378. Marathon's mined digital assets had a carrying value of $29 million as of June 30th, 2021, indicating $11.7 million in accumulated impairment charges. Mara stock has traded as low as $1.48 and as high as $57.75 so far in 2021. As you can see, the assumption that equities are safer than cryptocurrencies does not always hold true. Having said that, the Marathon Digital stock price appears to be in a decent spot right now. On September 22nd, BTC was hovering around $43,000 and Mara stock was trading between $35 and $36. Short sellers may flee the market if the price falls below $50 or $55. Then it'll be time for the more ambitious buyers to set their sights on $75 in the near future. The announcement that the Biden administration may begin requiring transactions above $10,000 to be disclosed to the IRS pushed Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies down in value on May 20th. Meanwhile, Marathon Digital Executive Chairman Marek Okamoto said in a tweet on May 24th that he had met with other Bitcoin mining executives the weekend before. A Bitcoin mining council was formed by the group, which included Tesla CEO Elon Musk and MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, to promote energy usage transparency and advance sustainability projects. Marathon Digital has yet to demonstrate a track record of sustained and robust earnings and revenue growth. Since reaching a high in April, the stock has lost over half of its value. You should now be able to tell the difference between investing in Marathon Digital and merely holding Bitcoin. The price of Mara stock might move much faster than the price of BTC. As a result, be aware of the dangers at all times. However, there are possible benefits here as well. Marathon Digital stockholders have a good cause to stay in the trade as long as the company continues to push the boundaries in the cryptocurrency market. Marathon Digital is not a buy since no obvious pattern has emerged. However, investors should keep a watch on Mara stock, which has acquired a big computational arsenal. With this, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new value. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.